Green Giant has consistently taken top marks in the Baker Creek tasting trials. This delectable variety has been the darling of the gourmet tomato crowd for decades. Green Giant was perfected by our friend and tomato expert Reinhard Kraft in his home garden in Germany. Kraft had received a packet of seeds from a fellow tomato collector, and of the 100 plants that grew, a single chance potato leaf mutation occurred, which he selected and grew out, eventually passing them along to other heirloom enthusiasts. Emerald green fruits weigh more than a pound. They're uniform and very smooth, with very few seeds. The outstanding, complex flavor is very sweet and juicy. The fruit remains an intense chartreuse even when fully ripe. The plants are carefree, robust, and prolific, so don't forget to stake them.